How to season a clay tagine properly. Warning, skip this and it will crack. Hey there, foodies and kitchen adventurers. Today we're diving into something special that's going to take your cooking to a whole new level. There will be very important tips at the end of the video. Make sure to watch the complete video so you don't miss them. This beautiful piece of cookware is called a tagine, and if you've just gotten your hands on one of these amazing clay cooking vessels, first of all, congratulations! You're about to unlock a world of incredible North African flavors. But before you start creating those mouth-watering Moroccan dishes, there's one crucial step you absolutely can't skip: seasoning your tagine properly. I know what you might be thinking. Wait, season it like a cast iron pan? And you're exactly right. Just like with cast iron, this simple process is going to protect your investment and improve your cooking results dramatically. The good news? You've got this, and I'm going to walk you through every single step to make sure you get perfect results, even if this is your first time working with clay cookware. So let's get started on seasoning your tagine the right way. Why seasoning matters. So why exactly do we need to season a clay tagine? Unlike modern non-stick cookware that's ready to use straight out of the box, your traditional clay tagine needs some preparation. Clay is naturally porous, which is actually part of what makes tagine cooking so amazing. It allows slow release of moisture during cooking, creating those tender, flavor-packed dishes Morocco is famous for. But those same pores can also absorb water, which could lead to cracking when you heat it. Seasoning seals these pores and creates a natural non-stick surface. Think of it as an essential investment of about 24 hours that will protect your tagine for years to come. Trust me, this small effort up front is absolutely worth it. What you'll need. Here's everything you'll need. Your new clay tagine. A large pot, big enough to submerge your tagine base. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, garlic clove, optional, but recommended. Water, dish soap, clean towels, oven. That's it. Nothing fancy or complicated. Just simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Step 1. Initial soak. First things first, we need to give your tagine a good soak. This helps prepare the clay and starts the conditioning process. Fill your sink or a large container with room temperature water, never hot, and completely submerge both the tagine base and lid. Let them soak for at least 2 hours. If you can leave it overnight, even better. This soaking step is super important because it allows the clay to absorb water slowly and evenly, which helps prevent cracking later when you expose it to heat. Step 2. Washing. After soaking, it's time to give your tagine a gentle wash. Use mild dish soap and lukewarm water to wash both pieces thoroughly. Don't use any abrasive scrubbers here, just your hands or a soft cloth will do. We're just removing any dust or residue from manufacturing and shipping. Rinse really well to make sure all soap is removed. Any soap residue could affect the flavor of your future dishes, and nobody wants that. Step 3. Oil treatment. Now for the fun part. Once your tagine is completely dry, we're going to apply olive oil to all the parts that will come in contact with food. Take about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and rub it all over the inside of both the base and lid. Make sure you get it into all the nooks and crannies. For extra flavor, you can rub the surface with a cut garlic clove before applying the oil. This is an old Moroccan trick that adds a subtle depth of flavor to your tagine. The oil is what creates that protective barrier on the clay, sealing the pores and creating a non-stick surface. This is exactly what's going to prevent your food from sticking and help distribute heat evenly. Step 4. Oven seasoning. Now we're going to heat treat your oiled tagine. Place both the base and lid in your cold oven. Yes, it needs to be cold to start. This allows the clay to warm up gradually. Turn your oven to a low 300 degrees Fahrenheit and 150 degrees Celsius and set a timer for 2 hours. After 2 hours, turn off the oven, but don't open it. Let the tagine cool completely inside the oven. This could take several hours or overnight. This slow heating and cooling process is absolutely crucial. It allows the oil to penetrate deeply into the clay, creating that perfect seal we're looking for. Step 5. Final preparations. Once your tagine is completely cool, give it one final wipe with a clean cloth. You might notice it has a beautiful, subtle sheen to it now. That's exactly what we want. Your tagine is now seasoned and ready for cooking. But wait, there are a few more important things to remember. Cooking tips for success. When you use your tagine, always start with low heat and gradually increase it. Clay doesn't respond well to sudden temperature changes. If you're using it on a stovetop, a heat diffuser is absolutely essential, especially on electric or induction cooktops. This $10 tool will prevent hot spots and protect your beautiful tagine from cracking. Always add a little liquid to the base before heating, which helps create steam and prevents the clay from drying out too quickly. And remember, your tagine isn't just a cooking vessel, it's also your serving dish. One of the joys of tagine cooking is bringing it right to the table, removing the cone-shaped lid with a flourish, and letting all those amazing aromas fill the room. And there you have it. Your clay tagine is now perfectly seasoned and ready to help you create incredible meals that will transport you straight to Morocco. I'd love to know what dish you're planning to make first in your tagine. Drop it in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more cooking tips and international recipes.